Hey guys, this is Rosakelly. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with a quick walkthrough of the newest blank album that I designed. So I did create a tutorial which I posted a couple videos ago. So I'm gonna have that full tutorial link below. For the tutorial I also have a cutting guide if you're interested on that. Again, that will be linked below. But yeah, so let me go ahead and give you a walkthrough. So these are books that I added also to my website. So if you're interested on just a blank book ready to decorate, I will link it below. Now I did design a new layout for this one compared to the other one, so I will create a separate listing for this one if you are interested on this particular layout. So I will have it again all linked below. So the book measures 8.5 by 7, and this has a 3 1/4 spine. And yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up. These books are black. I will also have the option to have these on white, so I will have this listed as black or white option. So the first page opens up like this, and we have a pocket. So we have 5 signature pages, which means 10 pages, you know, if you're counting in both sides. And then we have the inside covers as well. So this opens up, and then we have the pocket, and then we turn the page. We have 2 flaps here and then a flap going on this side. And if you're interested on making this book, it is a very quick and easy project, especially if you're a beginner maker but you want to make a more interactive type of book. So again, it will be linked below. It is a free tutorial here on the channel. So this page opens up and up. So these 2 flaps, you can add pictures, but also you can use these two to add some photo mats and then just kind of hold everything inside the page like that. Next page opens up, and we have a 3D page over here. So these 2 open up, so you can put pictures on both sides here, and even pictures on this side as well, and on this panel here. So I wanted to include easy but also interactive layout options. And this opens up like this, and then we have another little 3D display. So here you can add your picture. And then the next page opens up like this, and we have a large pocket on this side, and then it closes out. You can add magnets and just have all of your photo mats kind of protected so they won't fall out. Next page is a double accordion fold, and this will fit 5 by 7 pictures as well, so it opens both ways. And then of course you have the back here also to add more pictures. And the next page opens to the side, and then this opens up like this. So a simple layout again to add a couple pictures there. This next page is a full page layout, and it is also an easel display, so you can add your picture here and just have a beautiful 3D display. Also this opens up, and then we have another pocket back here, and then of course this back section to add a couple pictures as well. And then this last page just opens up, and then we have another full page layout, so lots of room for large size pictures. And then you have the back page here also available for another picture. So I'm gonna be adding these books to the website as a new option. I'm gonna have that link directly down below. And so yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy the quick walkthrough. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being part of the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.